I think a scissor jack would be better.
It's porta power.
Yeah, I know, but I think the scissor jack would just be better. It's got a wider end for the chain to go on.
That's why I've got that. And
yeah, but the other end's got a gap in it. The chain will actually sit inside.
Yeah, it'll sit in there. It'll be alright.
No, it will slide off.
Nah, bro. It'll be good.
We're gonna pull.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's Daniel here, and I got my brother Andrew. And if you ever had trouble getting your drums off your transit, like we are, this is the last resort. So we've welded on some D-shackles onto the drum, and Andrew's just now putting on a chain with a porta power. You got it? There you go. Do that. And we're really hoping that pulls it off. If this doesn't pull it off, then it's basically the very, very last resort is a cut-off wheel to start hacking this to pieces.
Right.
Anyway, moment of truth.
Just a couple.
Yeah, just get it tight.
Blowing in my face. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa.
Should we wear face masks just in case?
Yeah,
I'm gonna go get mine.
I'm just gonna shield it. I think that's. Just give it a little bit more, just so it locks it in.
Yeah, now we're tight.
Right, we're tight now.
Yeah.
And I think we'll just pull it over there and do it over there. Here we go.
Get out of harm's way.
Yeah.
Back. Stand back. Stand back!
Alright, let's see what happens, guys. Let's do this.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. First pump. Second pump. Third pump. And that's bending the chain. That's gonna pop the chain. Fucking hell. It's gonna shoot out like a bullet. Yeah, give it a pump. Yeah, whoa, 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 whoa. Jesus, that's on there. Where's the CRC?
Right, I'm just gonna keep pumping, bro.
No, I don't want to do all that don't want to break all the effort that you've just did. It's got tension. We just need to get some CRC in there. Oh, caught that. Just the work van. Right, go on in.
Fuck hell. It's under some good pressure.
Yeah, I know. Man, that should have come off by now. Yeah, she's going.
A couple snaps.
Boom!
Goes the dynamite.
Ba-boom! Look at that!
Yeah, man. That was on there.
That's crazy.
So guys, if you need to get transit drums off that have been like dumped in the ocean or from England, then this is a good method. Probably the only method to get them off. So we have to do this the other side now, but that's cool.
Alright, let's get on with the other. Oh, I'm just relieved. I'm relieved. You got any black? You got any black paint?
Yeah.
Nah, that's alright. Ooh. Nah, it has bent.
Yeah, it would have bent it a little bit.
Yeah, it has just a tiny bit.
I mean,
And it's taken a chunk out of there. Look, it's taken a lot to get it off. We have to grind these off. That'll be alright though.
yeah, we'll see what goes on and goes back together. You got new shoes with you, eh?
Yeah, got all new shoes.
Sweet. Jesus.
Any enjoy?
Yeah, the other side's off.
So I'm not going to show you how to actually swap out the shoes on this sort of thing, but good tip on how to get the drums off these things when they're proper solid. This will work on most cars as well, but that's really sort of one of the last resort options to get that off. Otherwise it's not coming off. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.